Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will going to discuss some interesting GK questions about world. So let's start. First question. The world's first artificial satellite was? Answer. Sputnik 1. The Spring Temple Buddha, the tallest statue in the world, is located in? Answer. China. Which is the tallest tower in the world? Answer. Tokyo Skytree, which is in Japan. Which city is known as the City of Two Continents? Answer. Istanbul. Which country first introduced the bullet trains? Answer. Japan. Which country is the largest producer of chocolate? Answer. Ivory Coast. Yen is the currency of which country? Answer. Japan. Which country is the highest producer of wine in the world? Answer. France. Which country is the largest producer of tea in the world? Answer. China. The popular social dance salsa is originated from which country? Answer. America. Which is the first country to allow women to vote? Answer. New Zealand. Which is the only country in the world to have a square flag? Answer. Switzerland. Which country has the largest armed force? Answer. China. Which country has the most number of lakes? Answer. Canada. The tomb of Prophet Muhammad is located in? Answer. Medina. Which country's official constitution is Quran? Answer. Saudi Arabia. Victoria Waterfall is located at the border of which two countries? Answer. Zambia and Zimbabwe. The most populous country in Africa is? Answer. Nigeria. Which country has the largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Answer. Italy. Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest mountain in Africa, is located in which country? Answer: Tanzania. London is the capital city of which country? Please comment this answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel to watch the latest videos.